Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home.
So today we're going to unbox C by GE switches and what is the other thing in the end? I think we got light strips.
Light strips, smart light strips, and a smart plug.
So if you recall, the previous video we did for C by GE was their 3-wire switches. And 3-wire switches are for older homes that don't have neutral wires. These are 4-wire switches and they require a neutral wire.
Oh, that explains why it says neutral wire required for installation.
Exactly. So in a few weeks, we'll probably end up getting our C by GE review done, where we actually install the switches and explain how it works. And we'll go in a little more depth about what that neutral wire is all about.
And what we've discovered in the meantime is that these aren't just your regular old switches. This is a totally new system that C by GE is developing, and it's a hubless system, and so all of these different things can really work together in your house.
And they don't require that Z-Wave hub like we have for other light switches.
Yeah, that's why they called it hubless.
Oh, that's good. So does that mean this does local control? I don't have to have a hub? Do I have to have the internet?
You tell me.
Well, I think you have to have the internet to set it up, but it will work without a hub. You can still work locally. So that means every time you execute a command with the application, the switch will actually turn on and off from inside the house. You don't have to worry about the message going up to the cloud and back down and everything else like you have to do when you do a lot of the other systems that are out there.
Pretty much they'll work when your internet's down, just like a normal switch would. So they're actually adding value to your home instead of taking it away.
I like that explanation better. Mine sounded too technical.
Uh-huh.
I know, it's always the way. This way we are, I guess. So what do we have?
So we're going to start over here. This is a C by GE on-off smart switch. And again, it looks a lot like the one that we unboxed a couple weeks ago, but this one is a 4-wire solution, so it says right on the box, neutral wire required for product installation.
And it's really glued together, isn't it?
And it's glued together. Slide it out. There it is. Here, why don't you check it out?
I get to take it out?
Well, I'll let you take this one.
Okay, let's see. The last time I did this, I dropped things all over the floor.
Be careful.
But this time, I didn't. So it comes with its own wall plate, which is kind of nice. And it's stuck together. So this wall plate you actually install on the switch. Makes it kind of nice. And there it is. So this is a on-off only, and it just toggles from this end. Remember, it makes noise?
Oh yeah, it makes that nice noise.
Makes that nice noise. And it comes with 4 wires, so check this out. See if I can take this off. They nicely bundled it together. Okay. So this one here has 4 wires. So there's a neutral wire, the green one. No, that's not. That's the ground wire. Got to get it correctly, right? So that's the ground wire. That hooks up to the copper in the
Oh, there's
box.
the white wire.
There's the white wire. And then there's 2 black wires. One's what's called line and the other one's called load. So that's how this switch is put together. Now take a look at this switch, and then here's one of the 3 wires from last time we did this. Again, same kind of clicky noise. But look at the difference. In this one here, there's only 3 wires. There's the ground, there's the load, and the line wire. That's it. And of course, the one we just unboxed has the neutral wire. I also noticed that the back here is plastic, and the back here is metal.
That's interesting.
That is an interesting difference. I wonder if that'll be true on the other switches as well.
Yeah,
so
it's white and it's a little bit smaller than the other one.
Is it smaller? Well, look at that. It is a little bit smaller, isn't it? That's interesting.
Interesting.
And how about the front? Does the front look different?
Front looks almost identical.
Looks almost identical. Maybe
Well, except this one's supposed to be up.
Oh, well, wait a minute. That's because I installed it wrong in there. Here. Okay, here. Now we've installed it correctly. Is that better?
Yep. Now
Okay.
they're both up.
Now they're both up. But anyway, they work the same, pretty much the same. The difference, of course, is one has the neutral wire. So that's kind of that's it. Okay, so let's put these aside over here. And it comes with a cover and some screws to screw it into the box. And the wire nuts, so you can easily wire it together. It comes with 4. The other one came with 3.
Oh, and makes sense since there's 4 wires.
And look at this. It comes with the stickers, including line or load, and also neutral or ground. So you can nicely label every wire on there, and that is really handy. I used these labels last time.
Yeah.
Made a huge difference. Huge difference. So comes with that, and comes with directions like last time. So That's pretty cool, right?
All right.
Now, it didn't come with one of those light bulb adapters, though. That's
No.
because it has the neutral wire, right?
Oh, okay. So it doesn't need the little bulb adapter.
Doesn't need the bulb adapter, so
All right,
that's kind of
I'm
nice.
gonna toss this box over here.
All right, sounds good.
All right, here's the next one. So this is, ooh, I like the way this one looks. This is the on-off smart switch. And this one has a little nicer looking, and this little circle glows when you install it, which is pretty cool. I'll unbox this one. How about that?
Oh, that's your unboxing.
Oh, it's stuck. I thought we got all these.
They certainly put a lot of little stickers on there so you can make sure it's difficult to open.
All right, so let's take this guy out. So here is the front, just like the other one.
Okay.
And here's what it looks like. Why don't you unscrew those things?
Okay, again, 4 wires because it has the neutral. And it is nicer looking because that little ring glows white after you've gotten it installed and put into the app. But it's nice. It's got a nice little button, clicks, and that's it. So it's a nice stylish looking on-off switch, but they work the same. Both are on-off.
Now that one has metal on the back.
Oh, and this one has the metal in the back. I wonder what makes the difference between the metal and no metal.
This one also has a little bit nicer packaging. The little books fit in right here. So these are new. You can tell they're making constant improvements. I like
So
to
wait a
see
minute,
that.
we need this. We need the wire nuts, and do we need the
Labels.
directions,
Some screws.
and we need the screws. All right, I think we got it. Okay, what's next? See, it makes the table much cleaner.
All right, the next one is an on-off smart switch, but this is more of a traditional toggle switch that goes.
How does
No.
it go? Is that how a toggle goes?
I don't know how it goes. All right, so I haven't seen one of these for a long time. Check it out. What's interesting, this one is kind of put together already.
Yeah, see, because it snaps in the back. So I don't know if you can see this or not, but look in the back, it snaps. So just push on it, just pull it here, and it pops out. So it snaps nicely when it's on the wall. Hooks on really nice. Does it work? So it's just, oh, it's a momentary switch.
Well, that's interesting.
Yeah, because normally when you see these things, they're the ones that, you know, they flip up or flip down. This one's a momentary switch, up or down. Huh. And again, this one here has the plastic back. So neutral wire is included in this one and a plastic back. So that's the, where they, I guess it's a toggle, what we call it. There's some screws to go with it. And the wall plate.
4 wire.
4 wire nuts.
Little book.
And the book with the directions. And, oh, and more wire labels. I really like that they give the wire labels. It really makes it nice.
Yep, that's a nice touch. Let's put this guy.
So you nicely, neatly put it together, and then you toss
Then
it
I
off to the
toss it
side.
off the
That's
side.
good.
All right, so this is actually a dimmer smart switch. What's interesting about this is that this one is no neutral wire required. So this should be a 3-wire, I'd guess.
Well, let's take a look.
Take a look. A little bit different packaging on this one. This one comes out the top. All right. Here's the books.
All right, books. Hold on before you go anywhere. This one doesn't have the neutral label. See, it's just got the regular label. Ooh. And touch controls. It tells you how it works and the instructions. And what's this? Oh, that's the thing from last time.
That's the thing from last time. We also have 4 wire nuts. And here it is. Here's the smart dimmer switch. So the big difference between this one and the other nice looking one with the ring is this one actually has a dimmer.
There was the one with the ring. This is the one with the ring? Mm-hmm. So this one here, let's put them out right way. Ta-da! But they both look really nice, except this one has like a thing for dimming. Mm-hmm. So how does that dimmer thing work?
Well, I don't know, here.
Yeah, let's check it out. So, so this one here, no dimming, just push it on and off. This one here, you push it on and off, and then there's, on the top and the bottom, there's a button for doing the dimming. So you can dim up or down, make it brighter, make it less bright, turn it on and off. So that's pretty nice. Mm-hmm. And so let's take a look here a second before we go on. So again, this one here is just like the switch we put in last time when we did the 3-wire. So it doesn't require the neutral, and but it does. It may require this thing. If you remember from last time, we saw this and didn't know what it was really for. It turns out if you plug in the dimmer, you install the dimmer, and you only have like one light bulb up in the ceiling, you may need to use this for it to operate. So it actually adds a little bit of load to the line so the switch operates. And we found, like, we installed it in our dining room, we actually had to put one of these in the light fixture. And it worked great. Once you put it in, the dimmer switches work just great. So that is a necessary thing to have. They also make this as a little device you can put up inside the ceiling. And I'll show that when we do the full review. Yeah.
Cool. All right, so there's your
wire nuts, and then the wall plate, so all the things we need. Okay.
Now this is cool. So this is actually an on-off smart plug, and you don't need any 3-wire, 4-wire, whatever. You just need an outlet to plug this guy into. And we've tried a lot of these different smart plugs over the years. This one's from the
Well,
CYG
this one's
line.
special though, right?
Yeah, well, why is it special?
Well, so these devices here, they come in with, they talk to each other with Bluetooth. However, to get out to the internet, to talk to the app, they use Wi-Fi, right? Mm-hmm. So let's say you're living in an apartment and you don't have, you're not allowed to go change the switches in an apartment, right, that you don't own. Well, that's where this comes in, because this acts as a bridge between the GE smart bulbs, which are Bluetooth, and the internet, right? So this has Wi-Fi in it and Bluetooth. And so if you plug one of these in your home and you have C by GE light bulbs, this will make it so that you can control those C by GE light bulbs with the app on your phone.
Oh, with the app on your phone.
Right,
Or
and
maybe
also
with one of those voice assistants,
Yes,
like
with
the
the-
one that starts with an A.
Yeah, but either Google Home or the Amazon Echo. Yeah, that's really important. So this is an important thing to remember is you're going to need one of these if you buy C by GE. I have trouble saying that. C by GE light bulbs. You will need this to be able to interface. The other thing you'll need it for is if you buy any of the C by GE Bluetooth switches. Last time when we unboxed one of their Bluetooth switches. It looks just like this, except it doesn't wire into anything. It's just battery powered. You will need that in order for that whole thing to work. So that's this switch here. That's it. Pretty much straightforward. And it has a little button on the side so you can turn it on and off manually if you want to. So that's it.
And this doesn't have very much else inside the box except for this little instruction card. And it's got, the normal FCC compliance kind of stuff and some ideas on how to get started. Plus, it's also got the really easy things to get started with using a voice assistant. So that's
cool. So that's good.
All right, and finally, we got some light strips. This is pretty exciting because we've never used light strips before. We've seen a lot of other people do them, and it looks like this is going to be a lot of fun. It's got millions of colors.
So they're light bulbs.
No, they're light strips.
Oh. Well, my understanding is the only difference between this and the light bulbs is the light bulbs are small and this is long.
Oh, cool. This is a one light strip and power supply. All right. Here's the book. And here, wow. Heavy. It looks pretty cool. It's very well built, very solid. And this must be, it's got a little tape on it so that you can stick it somewhere.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Here, why don't you grab the other
Look at the other end. Let's check it out. All right, here we go. Wow, this is long. You know what I noticed about this?
What?
Not only is it long, and it's got the sticky tape on it. See, this is what
that's
this is.
3M sticky tape in
Well,
case we want to
it's
stick
covering
it
the
somewhere.
sticky tape, I guess. But it's a heavy plastic feel to it. So it seems kind of
Really
substantial.
thick, yeah.
Well, you don't have to worry about putting your fingers on the electronics, I guess.
Well, that's
And so it's pretty good. And my understanding is, and we'll have to read the directions, is you can cut it. So I don't know if you can see this. I'll try to zoom in the video here. but you see there's cut lines. I don't know if you've seen it. You see the cut lines?
Oh yeah, I see a cut line.
So,
It's got a little scissor
If you
picture.
cut it at the right place, you can actually cut this to length and then hook them together, is my understanding. So we're gonna play with this and find out. And actually, this is the first time we've done light strips, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what I said. It's not
So holy cow, look at this. It's like, it's a lot of light strip. All right, let me put this over here. Lose the box, then we have room. Was there anything else in the box?
Here it is, the power adapter.
Oh, we have to have a power adapter?
Well, you got to plug in the lights. They don't have a battery.
All right, another power
This is a
adapter.
pretty heavy-duty power adapter for this light strip, so that's pretty cool. So I guess you just plug it in here, and then there it goes. Well, that'll
That's
be
it?
really cool.
That's it.
And the guide, and that's it.
Hey, you know, you could plug that in right now.
I could.
Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
Hey, that's pretty cool. Let's
That's
see.
bright.
Yeah, very bright. Hopefully we can control that with a, oh, there you go. You got like a necklace with it.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Can we see you in the video? I think we got you. I think it's
Yeah.
in there. Yeah, you're there.
Pretty
And then,
exciting.
yeah, let's check it out. See, there's no buttons on here though, right?
No, you got to control
No,
the app.
you have to control it with the app, but that's really bright.
Yeah.
So, okay, so let's recap what we have. What do we have over here? We got the light
We've
strips
got the light strips.
that are really bright.
very bright.
We have,
The smart plug.
and then we have 3 on-off switches here, and
No, we have
no, we
dimmer.
don't. Dimmer switch. Dimmer switch doesn't require the neutral. And then over here we have the 3 on-off switches,
Yep.
and just the difference is the different style, right? So we got listen to me. We have the toggle, so up and down. We have the good-looking button, right? Oop, and it doesn't want to stay on its own. We have the on-off. I don't know, what do you call this? It's kind of like toggle too, isn't it? But and then we have that one there, and it requires a neutral. And then from last time, we had the same one, and this is the 3-wire version. It
Three-wire
doesn't require a neutral. So kind of give you an idea. And then we also have this lamp adapter for the 3-wire circuits, so that in case it needs extra load to operate, it comes with it, right?
Yeah, probably be better to use that one though if we can, the 4-wire, right?
Yeah, I think what I kind of discovered last time when we did this, because we've been testing it for the last couple of weeks, is that if you have the neutral in the box, buy the 4-wire switches. Okay, so that's it. I think
That's
we're
it.
done.
Yeah. So
So what do we do next?
we got to wrap it up.
We've got to wrap it up, and we have to get it all installed, and we'll give it a test, and then we're going to do a review hopefully in a couple of weeks, right?
Yeah. So then in the next couple of weeks, we're going to test all of these products plus the 3-wire switches that we got the last time, and this way we'll have a really good test of the whole C by GE system, the hubless system,
The hubless system.
at least for the lighting in our house. Thanks for watching our video today. We've included more information about the products we unboxed today, including links where to buy in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.